During my art class in college, I have to fill out a sketchbook full of drawings. One of the drawings I came up with today was the Bop It alarm clock. This is a talking clock, keep in mind. So when you push the talk button, it actually says the time with words from the Bop It games. Like this.
The time is 12:56.
If you want to adjust the time, twist it and then flick it either up or down to go forward or backward.
Flick it to adjust. Time. Higher or lower.
It will then speak the time as you adjust it.
57, 58, 59, 1.
Notice that one voice is the hour and another Bop It game is the minutes. You can also set an alarm on this clock. To do that, pull it and hold it, and then spin it either up or down to go forward or backward.
Spin it to adjust. Higher or lower. 12. Oh, 1. Oh, 2. Oh, 3. Oh, 2. Oh, 1. 12.
When the alarm is on and the alarm goes off, it plays an exclusive sound from the Bop It download as the alarm sound. Whenever you wake up or you want to turn the alarm off, just bop it and it will activate snooze.
I'm going to sleep.
The snooze will be activated for 10 minutes. Then the alarm goes off again. What do you think? Is this a good idea? Let me know down in the comments and keep watching and following Bop It Master 8.